You want to make money on TikTok with your business. I don't care if it's digital marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, you have a physical product. Let's talk about how you can make sales using TikTok. This is a complete course that I've put out there. And in this module, we are going to talk what to do in your first week, a complete actionable step by step, so you know how to start your TikTok channel properly and what that looks like. If you're like me, I have a 55-year-old brain. I like the steps. I like to know what action steps I need to take for the best success. That is what I'm laying out in this complete course. And in this video training today, let's start your first week off on the right foot. If you don't know me, my name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. I've gone from zero to over $400,000 in under 6 months by using digital marketing on TikTok. So you can use these exact same strategies regardless of what business you're in to start to make money and using the free platform of TikTok. Now, I needed to make money for retirement, so this was one way that I'm using to supplement our income, actually replace my income and have that freedom that we were looking for in our retirement goals. What we wanted. I'm 55 years old. I needed money or else I'd be working till I was 80. Didn't want that. So I'm using TikTok, digital marketing to achieve my goals and my results. So if you want to learn more about my TikTok channel, you'll see it below. Go down there. You can see what I teach in action on my TikTok channel. Exactly the strategies I teach. If you want to learn more about my digital marketing program, you'll see it below as well. Learn about that. All right, this is your first week action plan. Are you ready? Okay, let's get going. Okay, hey everybody, welcome. So in this training, we're going to go over everything you need to do in your first week of running your affiliate business on TikTok, okay? So this is very important. You are on a new platform. You should have started a new account, and we went through all that. So you need to now get and teach the algorithm who you're interested in showing your videos to and what you're interested in seeing on your For You page, okay? Now, this is how you're going to teach the algorithm, because in the beginning it has no clue what you're interested in seeing, no clue in what you're going to be posting about. So we need to go about and teach the algorithm that. So in order to do that, we are going to need to teach. So we go here and
we're going to set you up with our team of expert interviewers and ghostwriters.
And you need to go right there. And then you need to search what you're interested in. So maybe you know of people that are already doing it. Maybe you want to search my name, Affiliate Glammy. And you can like and follow my page, because then you will see what I'm doing and you'll want to, it might inspire you and give you ideas, I hope. But you also want to maybe look at other people. So, oops, if I could spell, it'd be good. Affiliate marketing. So let's just go there. So we can go to hers. It's called Hustle with Nikki, Make Money from Home. So she might have some really good content that might inspire us. Looks like she's pretty good with what she's doing on there. How to make money online and done for you digital course to make 100% profits. So she might be, let's look at her stand store and just see what she is selling, showing you how to make money, stay-at-home mom. So yeah, I figured she's in the master resale rights. That's very common. $7 affiliate marketing course. So she's also promoting the legendary marketer. Hey, she might even be one. A lot of these people like to promote multiple side hustles on their business, saying, hey, you want to start for free? Try the Rapid Profit Machine. So she might even be a good one to follow. So I'm going to actually follow her.
$14,000 from this underrated side hustle, and here's how you can do the same. I hope I'm not wasting my.
It's May 29th. Emma here, which means I wants to know how she.
So you can see here other search for. These are some good
Primero ve a Google y escribe
Turn this
Hotmart
down. But
Español.
anyways, you see these
Ingresa a la plataforma
right here.
y regístrate
These are good
llenando tus datos que es
things to write
completamente
down
gratuito.
for
Aquí tienes varios programas
searching,
educativos que te
and we're
pagan
going to
en
talk about
dólares
that a
por
little bit later,
recomendarlos.
okay?
Como por ejemplo este.
So anyways, you want to find relevant, maybe work from home. Let's try that. Work from home. Search.
I think we are learning a little bit more.
COVID-19 thermal. There are currently no cancer. Are hand dryers effective in killing the new corona? Working from home for 1 day versus 1 year.
I'm going to show you how to make $1,600 a month just by typing. Who couldn't use an extra $1,600 a month,
So
right?
if you type
Go to
click on this
Stripe.com
goes right
and
to
get
their
started.
profile. Okay, so
Here
make
you can
money
sign up
with
for free.
Carissa.
You're going to get paid.
Now, remember we talked about this before. It used to be her account obviously has been around for a little while. So she has the word money, make money with Carissa. Now that's in the top part, but I always say avoid the word money because I think TikTok has really been coming down on that. So this is a former account, so they're probably more, and she's got a lot of followers. So she's probably okay with that, but you definitely don't want to have the word money in here, but she is the affiliate SLP. So here, helping stressed out mamas make money online. So I go to Instagram. So she hasn't really changed that, but she does have her link right here. So she might be something, if you're a young mom, you want to follow her account because she does have a good amount of following. She gets a decent amount of views. She's not, you know, a lot. Let's see this.
You know what is mind blowing? Only 1% of you is going to watch this video until the end to find out how I made passive income in my sleep last night. And then about only 1% of that will actually take action to change their life forever.
So that's a good hook.
As a freelance transcriber to apply context and identify mistakes.
Okay, so you can see the different things that you might want to search for so that you can start. I suggest you get 20 to 50 accounts that you like and follow, because that will teach the algorithm exactly what you're interested in and follow. You'll see a lot of affiliate marketing. You might get, oh my goodness, there's too many. But in all honesty, there is not very many. It's just you are showing the algorithm what to show you. So you're going to see more of them. Okay. But there's so many billions of people out there in comparison to how many 1% of the population or wherever doing affiliate marketing. So there's a wide, wide world. So don't worry about that. All right, so let's go back to our home.
We're going to extract your valuable knowledge, and then we're going to turn it into
right
a
here,
book, a course, and a coaching
click on
curriculum.
that, you can see who's doing live videos.
Honestly, where I just was not putting the effort in.
And you can see all the people who are live, okay? I find these wigs kind of neat.
Number 19 is next, followed by 18
if you like
and then
wigs, I think some of them are kind of so neat. She looks amazing in all of them. Anyways, so that's how you can see people who are going live.
Then we're going to set you
on your, and then you can also back on the home
up with
screen,
our rockstar marketing team
you
that's
have the
going to
search.
create an
That's what
entire
we talked
lead gen
about.
system
And this
for
is the
you so that
following who I'm following. So it should be on there.
Hey everybody.
There's another Rapid Profit
It
Machine
is
person.
Julie
I like
Nunn
hers.
of the
Love
RPM
hers.
Talent.
And then it's the
company.
For You
Find
page.
all
Okay.
of the-
So this is the stuff.
shock on how much I've made.
So
Hey, I'm Kai, and I live in this house truck out in the
look at
woods.
this house truck.
About 10
Oh my
million
goodness.
exterior tour videos, but this
It's
video.
amazing. Oh, isn't that
Hi,
beautiful
this is my very
RPM
first
system?
TikTok.
Oh, it's our first one.
That's really cool.
Love that. Anyways, so that's kind of your home page. And yeah, so 20 to 50 accounts you want to follow and like. And then this is important. So as you start posting your videos, or anybody who follows you back, so you can see, you click on this inbox here, you can see your new followers. So let's click here. So new followers. So in the beginning, I would go onto their page. Let me just check out this one. And would this be somebody that I think might be interested in what I'm doing? Yeah, absolutely. Look at, she's happily married, loves God, she has a family. So the chances of her Looks like she's older. So is she my target audience? Yes. So I'm going to follow her back. And in the beginning, I might even say, oh, cannot send due to privacy issues. But if it didn't say that, I'd say, hey, thanks for the follow, friend. And I'd send that off to her. It's just creating rapport with people. It's helping the algorithm, because this is a social media platform. So the more you engage with people, the more TikTok will show your stuff out there. So let's see, maybe the affiliate empire. Let's just check her out. So this looks like somebody that I'm not sure, might not like showing her face. I'm really not sure who this account is for. So let's just look at this. This is why it's important, I believe, to show your face. Because who is this person? All you see is money. And you see random people, random things. So you don't really know if you don't really know how to know this person. You definitely don't know if you can trust this person. And there's really no ability to connect. That's why I say it's very important for you to put your face out there and create that know, like, and trust factor with people. I know some people are very shy about this, but you're in an online business. You have to get over that. If you want to be successful, I honestly believe that is 99% of the way that you can be successful is to show your face. There might be 1% that can actually achieve it without showing their face, but friends, I got to tell you, it's hard. It's a hard hill to push if you want to do it faceless. Because there's just something about human connection and seeing people in the eye. I mean, I can't see you on video, but you can see me, and it looks like I'm looking right at you. And there's something about that connection when you're talking to people face to face, right? So I honestly believe, so I'm not going to follow this person because honestly, I don't even know who they are. So if people don't put their face out there, oh, look at this lovely lady. She's pretty much just started. I'm going to follow her back and I'm going to send her a wave and I'm going to say, hey, thanks for the follow, friend. There we go. I send that off and usually people are really happy. They message back saying, hey, no problem. Or, hey, what are you doing? I've had many people say, what affiliate platform are you doing? It engages conversation. And that's what you want. You want to engage conversation. So, and you're building rapport in your network. Now, this is what I want you to do for your first week. And we've talked about creating different types of videos. So your first week, I want you to create 3 videos each day. That adds up to a total of 21 videos. And you might fall off your chair right now and say, what? The minimum amount is 1 day. But if you really want to succeed and get some traction in your business, I'm saying 3 videos a day. Now, like I said, if you're on a roll, you can save them to your draft, right? And just post them when you're at work, or, if you're busy, you have them done. Now, I showed you how to create duets. So that's a pretty simple video. So maybe you want to consider 1 duet, 1 video that you're actually talking and promoting your business, and then 1 video that has some B-roll of things of you walking your dog, of you sitting there reading a book, or your feet with the rain, and just some words over top about your business. So those are 3 videos, pretty simple to do. Those 2, and then a video of you talking. So that's your homework for this week. Start creating those. You don't have to post them right away, but once you get your account set up, you're already thinking of videos and getting some ideas, but you want to have at least 6 videos done, and then post 3 one day and then post 3 the next while you're creating more videos, so that when you start your account, you have actually like 2 rows of videos. Because let's see, when you are on your account, you see, if people look at your account, they see 6 videos, right? So at least there's something for them to look at to see what you're doing. If you just start your account with no videos, there's nothing for people to even, follow you for. So make sure you have some video content prior to you going out there and starting everything else, and make sure you have them starting to be posted. So that's your homework. I want you to not overthink things. You just need to remain consistent as you grow your business. In a few other videos, we're going to go over in depth on maybe being creative in making your videos. But Don't stress about it. Create a straightforward video of you talking. Write things down if you want. Have that hook, have that call to action, and get yourself out there. Just get yourself out there. It's not the end of the world. You think more of what you look like and what you sound like than anyone else cares about. It's only you that care about it. So get over yourself, get over the fear, and just do it. All right? I believe in you. I can't wait to see your content. Remember, you're going to tag me in it. You can duet with me. I don't mind that. Just find a video that has a lot of views, duet with me. Something like that, okay? So that's your homework. That's how you're going to start. Now that you know what to do for your first week, you have a game plan, right? You need to, in our next video, we're going to talk about how to become searchable and optimize so you can be found, because TikTok is a search engine just like Google and YouTube. How can you get found? How can your videos, your product, what you are promoting be found and be searchable? How do you get that little bar at the top that says make money online or whatever it is, digital marketing, so that people can find you? This is what we're going to talk about in the next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so now so you don't miss a single thing, because there's 13 of these video modules. And if you have questions or you're loving the content, please put it in the comments below. I'm always happy to answer them. Or if you have an idea for a video maybe that I haven't done, always happy to know about it as well. But if you have not, if you're kind of jumping in here and you see this from the very beginning, you can go back, start at the very beginning of this playlist so you don't miss all the steps to take, because I've done it very step by step and very strategic so you understand everything. All right? All right, let's go. I can't wait to see you in the next video.